Okay, for those of you new and old to this area, we have probably a very significant tornado on the ground right now, just southwest of Yukon, moving into the Yukon area, from Mustang up to Yukon, moving toward Bethany and War Acres, all of Oklahoma County. Once again, lowest level, smallest room, center part. You know, a closet, a bathroom in the middle part of the house, put helmets on the kids, long sleeve shirts, long sleeve pants. Make sure all of you have heavy shoes on. If the kids have
power flashes again, Gary, at Sarah Road.
Sarah Road,
Southwest 29th and Sarah Road. I would guess that this thing looks like it's moving more east than it is northeast.
Okay, it's probably turning east. So, whoop, give me that knife.
I don't know which way Reno Street goes.
Sorry about that.
So I don't recommend that. I don't know where it goes. I would say go to junction 40 straight in front of you. Go east.
Here, it's Rob again.
Go ahead, Rob.
We're seeing a power flash.
Whoa,
We're in the
it's
north
right
side
here.
of Mustang. We've come across fairly heavy tree damage.
Holy
north of Mustang.
Turn right, George. Turn right. Turn right. Turn right.
To the northeast, associated with those power flashes. I think that's the final,
We need to get on the other side of this mall right now.
Yep, that's okay.
Either way, there's damaging winds last report just the west of southwest.
Yep, let's go.
29th and Sarah Road, so we have probably a large tornado on the
Go
ground.
south. Go south. You're clear. Go south. Go south. Go south.
Okay, so once again on the precautions, the safe room, cellar, and basement is best. Don't have that. Go to the lowest level of your house, the smallest room, the center part, close their bathroom. And put helmets on the kids, put helmets on yourself, helmet on yourself.
I would say
long
right
sleeve
here.
Shirt, long pants, boots, and wrap up in pillows and blankets to protect yourself from flying debris. This thing is, we got a tornado report on I-40.
I'm fine. How are you? Lee. Ron, get in.
Gary, I just saw
Go ahead, Bobby. Okay, we lost Bobby. Go back to Rob. Tornado, Yukon area.
Right there. 12 o'clock. It's the south edge of the circulation.
Whoa. Serious power flashes. Ron, we can get on I-40 and head east. Let's get on 40 and head east.
Okay,
We're out of danger here now.
yeah, we're okay. It's
We were in it.
right on.
We were on the edge of the circulation. Whoa. More power flashes.
Can't get any. I can't get you.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, that's Southwest 29 and Morgan Road. You guys can still talk.
All right?
I'm fine.
Yeah, I'm good. I confirm the power flash.
My heart is
Quite a bit
racing.
of tree damage in Mustang. We've seen several large trees down and quite a bit of large tree limbs
One at a
down.
time. One at a time, guys. Let me talk to Rob. Someone grab his other phone. Let me talk to Rob. Some of you guys come in here. Some of you guys come in here. That's his phone.
You okay?
I'm fine.
Okay.
I'm a little
Okay.
excited,
I'm excited.
but I'm okay.
Yeah, I'm still here. We're coming up to I-40 right now.
Yeah, Val, just talk.
Okay, the tornado appears to be on the ground. It's pretty wrapped in rain right now, but it appears to be on the ground near I-44, I-35, Britain Road area right now.
Oh shit! That's
We're
right here.
Strong wraparound. We're just south of that location.
I'm gonna stop.
Very strong wraparound. Continue.
I would stop.
See power flashes every now and then in that area.
Yeah,
right
power
there.
flashes
There's
right
another
there.
power flash right there, Gary.
That's northeast. That's the
I'm gonna
road.
stop right here.
Oh, there's another power.